Hi students, welcome to SP Chemistry. In today's session, we will study class 12 subject chemistry, chapter the solid state, concept packing efficiency, sub-concept packing efficiency in HCP, CCP, BCC and simple cubic lattice. And link concept is structure and geometry of HCP, CCP, BCC and simple cubic lattice. Contents are packing efficiency in HCP and CCP structures and BCC structures and simple cubic lattice. At the end of this session, the learners will be able to calculate packing efficiency in different types of structures. So, packing efficiency means what? Packing efficiency is the percentage of total space filled by the particles. That means what percentage? Just two-dimensional I am showing you, but we have to study in three-dimensional space. So, how much space is occupied by particles? The percentage of total space filled by the particles is known as packing efficiency. Sometimes packing fraction is also asked. And packing efficiency is calculated out of 100%, whereas packing fraction and fraction of particles, right? Packing fraction, it is calculated out of 1, right? So let us discuss how packing efficiency is calculated in HCP and CCP structure. Here in HCP, both type of close packing, that means HCP and CCP are equally efficient. Let us calculate efficiency of packing in CCP structure. That means you can see here in figure the unit cell edge length be A and face diagonal. Unit cell edge length is A, edge length, that is A, and is it face diagonal here? This is face diagonal. AC is equal to B. Then if we consider triangle ABC, this triangle, this is right angled triangle, so this is A and this is A, and here the B square face diagonal is B. In right angle triangle B square, it is hypotenuse. In case of triangle ABC, the B square is equal to side A square plus A square, right? So B square is equal to 2A square. So B, how much we will get? Root 2A. Then this B here, this is 2R and this is R. B is equal to 4R, right? So B is equal to 4R. And B, how much we got? Root 2A. Right. So root 2A is equal to 4R. So A is equal to how much? 4R by root 2, or you can say 2 root 2R. Or you can write R is equal to A by 2 root 2. Right? Then, so volume of one atom is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. And in case of FCC, 4 is Z effective is 4. So 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. Right? Then, so how can we calculate packing efficiency? Packing efficiency is volume occupied by these 4 spheres, because in FCC Z effective is equal to 4 and atoms are spherical. So these 4 spheres, so 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube into A cube, right? So packing efficiency, how can we calculate? Volume occupied by 4 spheres divided by total volume of the unit cell into 100, right? It is the formula of packing efficiency. Then this much percentage. Then A is equal to how much? Root 2 R. So if we put the formula value of A, this one 4 by 3 pi r cube, and instead of AQ, how much we can write? 2 root 2 r into 100. So if we calculate, we will get 74%. So in case of FCC, 74% is the packing efficiency. That means percentage filled by atoms is 74%. So can we see what percentage is void? Total 100%. So if 74% is filled, 74% of the space is filled, so how much space is vacant? Void means what? Vacant space. The 100 minus 74, right? We will get how much? 26%. So 26. So in this way also objective question may be asked. What percentage of voids present, right? So these are already I have discussed. 74% is the packing efficiency. The packing fraction will be 0.74. It is out of 1. So this is fraction. That means if we multiply 100, only this much is packing fraction, right? It's 0.74 packing fraction. If we multiply this here percent, 100%, then we will get 74% is the packing efficiency in case of FCC or HCP or CCP. Now let us calculate packing efficiency in BCC. As we know, in BCC here the atom at the center will be in touch with the two atoms diagonally arranged, right? If we consider here triangle EFD, right? Is it a right angle triangle? Yes. Then in EFD, this triangle, A's length is A, right? This is A. So B will be how much? In triangle EFD, right? So B square, applying Pythagoras theorem, B square is equal to A square plus A square. So B square is equal to 2A square, or B is equal to root 2A. Then in triangle AFD, is it a right angle triangle? Yes. This face is perpendicular. So this is again just you imagine it is AFD, triangle AFD. Again applying Pythagoras theorem, this one C square will be how much? C square will be this is A, one side is A, another side is B, A square plus B square. So B, how much we got here? Root 2A. So C square will be A square plus root 2A ka whole square, right? So A square plus 2A square. So C square is equal to 3A square, or we got C will be root 3A, right? Then, so this C, is it equal to here 2R? If we correlate with radius of this sphere, atoms are spherical in shape, so I am saying 4 spheres. This one 3, 4R. These 3 atoms, 2R, and this R, this is R. So this 4R is equal to C. C is how much we calculated? 4R will be root 3 A by 4, right? So 4R C how much? Root 3A we calculated here. 4R is equal to root 3A. R will be how much? Root 3A by 4, right? Then in case of BC, how can we calculate packing efficiency? The packing efficiency formula is same formula, efficiency is equal to how much volume occupied by spheres. This for in case of BCC, Z effective is 2, and every sphere that volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume occupied by 2 spheres per unit cell divided by total volume AQ into 100%, right? Then, so here A will be how much? A will be 4R by root 3. Then, now you put this here, 2 into 4 by 3 pi R cube divided by, instead of A, how much we will write? 4 by root 3 R whole cube into 100%. It will be 8 by 3 pi r cube divided by here 64 by 3 root 3 r cube into 100%. So if we calculate, we will get here 68%, right? So in case of BCC, packing efficiency is 68%. So packing fraction will be how much? 0.68. And voids, this much percentage is filled. That means out of 100%, how many space is vacant? That is void. 100 minus 68%, right? It will be how much? 32. 32% is the void in case of BCC, right? Then, and these things I have written for you. Already we calculated. Then next, let us discuss how can we calculate packing efficiency in simple cubic lattice. So in a simple cubic lattice, the atoms are located only on the corners, of the cube. That means the particles touch each other along the edge. Thus the edge length is side A. A will be how much? 2R, right? So A will be 2R. So volume of cubic cell will be AQ, 2R ka whole cube, right? 8R cube. Then, since a simple cubic unit cell contains only one atom, because only at corner atoms, so 8 corner atom, contribution is 1 by 8. So Z effective is 1 in case of simple cubic lattice. And volume of occupied sphere will be 4 by 3 pi r cube. So how can we calculate packing efficiency in case of simple cubic lattice? Packing efficiency, same formula we have to apply, is equal to volume of one atom, because Z effective is 1, divided by total volume of cubic unit cell into 100%, right? Into 100% is equal to volume of one atom is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by total volume. Total volume is AQ into 100%. So A is equal to how much we got? AQ is equal to 8R cube. So if we put here 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by 8R cube into 100%. If we calculate, we will get here what percentage? It is 52.4. 52.4. Approximately you can say 52%. It is the packing efficiency. So packing fraction will be 0.52, and voids, if out of 100%, 52% is filled. So what percent is void? 100 minus 52 is equal to 48%. In this way also question may be asked to you. So here these things I already have discussed. These things I have calculated for you, so you can note it down. Now let us discuss some evaluative question. So question number 1, calculate the packing fraction, packing efficiency in case of HCP, CCP, BCC and simple cubic lattice. So dear students, everything we have discussed. So you can write this answer of your own, and what is the percentage of voids in different types of cubic lattice. Everything already we have discussed, so you can note it down. So I think you are clear about packing fraction, packing efficiency, and what percentage of voids are present in different cubic crystal system. So thank you all.